This tutorial will show you how to combine information from multiple inspection files into one file. Palmtech gives you the ability to import one inspection file into another. This feature makes it very easy to conduct team inspections where different inspectors inspect different parts of a home, and at the end you can combine all of the information into one file. It is important to note that the import process is only available in the PC version of Palmtech. The way it works is that each inspector will fill out different categories. Once the inspection is complete, all the inspection files that will be combined will need to be on the same PC. Once this is done, the first step will be to open up one of the files. For this tutorial, we'll be combining two inspection files. One is called 123 Summer Street Interior, and one is called 123 Summer Street Exterior. To get started, let's go ahead and open up the 123 Summer Street Exterior. So we'll highlight it, and then we'll click on Open. This will now bring up the main Palmtech program, and as you can see in our category list over on the left, only some of the categories have information, just the ones for the exterior. So what we're going to do next is to bring in the rest of the categories from the second inspection file and then bring them into this file to have one complete file. Before we import the second inspection, we're going to do a save as to create a brand new file for the completed inspection. To do that, we're going to go up to File, Save As, and here we'll give it a name, and we're just going to take off the exterior. So the new name will be 123 Summer Street, and then we'll click on Save. Now that we have our new file created, we're ready to import that second file. We'll now go up to Tools, Import Inspection. On this screen, we need to select what inspection we'll be importing. So we'll highlight the interior and we'll click on Open. On the screen we have now, we see a list of all the categories from this inspection that have information filled out. We actually want to bring all the categories over except for the definitions. So we're just going to click on All. It'll move all these to be imported, and then for the definitions we'll simply click on it and then send it back over to the left since we don't want to import it. Now all we have to do is click on OK. After really just a few seconds, it's going to bring in all of the information that was filled out. So we have our general information, and then once we start to get into some of the interior, like electrical, plumbing, bathroom, you can see all the information was brought in, and now this inspection file is complete. If you have more than two files that you want to combine, you can easily combine as many files as you want using this same procedure. It is important to note that in order for multiple files to be compatible, to be imported and combined, each of those inspection files must have been started with the exact same template. This concludes the Combining Multiple Inspection Files tutorial.